Mathematics class for 5th standard.
Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira.
Children, in the previous class we learnt about subtraction. In this class we will learn about factors and multiples. Children, now we will play a game. Consider the game called grouping together. There are 12 students in the game. Students are moving in a circular path. A number is announced. Students make group having the number of members announced. Students who form groups with more or less than the announced number are treated as out. Now we will see a table which has the details of that game. First, the number announced is 1. Number of group formed is 12. Are there any children left out? No, there are no children left out. So the number of children left out is 0. Now the number announced is 2. Number of groups formed is 6. Are there any children left out? There are no children left out. So the number of children left out is 0. Now the number announced is 3. Number of groups formed is 4. Are there any children left out? No, there are no children left out. So the number of children left out is 0. Now number announced is 4. Number of groups formed is 3. Are there any children left out? No, there are no children left out. So the number of children left out is 0. Now number announced is 5. Number of groups formed is 2. Are there any children left out? Yes, 2 children are left out. Now number announced is 6. Number of groups formed is 2. Are there any children left out? No, there are no children left out. So the number of children left out is 0. Now number announced is 7. Number of groups formed is 1. Are there any children left out? Yes, 5 children are left out. Now number announced is 8. Number of groups formed is 1. Are there any children left out? Yes, 4 children are left out. Now number announced is 9. Number of groups formed is 1. Are there any children left out? Yes, 3 children are left out. Now number announced is 10. Number of groups formed is 1. Are there any children left out? Yes, 2 children are left out. Now number announced is 11. Number of groups formed is 1. Are there any children left out? Yes, 1 child is left out. Now number announced is 12. Number of groups formed is 1. Are there any children left out? No, there are no children left out. So the number of children left out is 0. The numbers announced where no group members were left out is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The numbers announced where some group members were left out is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Numbers in the first column are factors of 12, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. The numbers in the second column are not factors of 12, which means 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 are not factors of 12. What is 12 called with respect to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12? Observe the following table. 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. 12 is called the multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Consider 3 8s are 24. 3 and 8 are factors of 24 and 24 is multiple of 3 and 8. Therefore, factors and multiples are related to each other. Factors. When 2 or more numbers are multiplied to get the product, the numbers multiplied are called factors of the product. Example, 3 8s are 24. 3 and 8 are the factors of 24. Important points of factors. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number except 1 has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. The factor of a number is always equal to or less than the number. Children, now we will learn that every number is factor of itself. Here we will make groups of 3 cars, which should have 3 cars in each group. Like that, how many groups can we make? Yes, we can make only one group. Are there any cars remaining? No, there are no cars remaining. How many cars did we have? 3 cars. How many cars were there in each group? Yes, there were 3 cars. It means that 3 is the factor of itself. Children, here we will make groups of 6 roses, which should have 6 roses in each group. Like that, how many groups can we make? Yes, we can make only one group. Are there any roses remaining? No, there are no roses remaining. How many roses did we have? 6 roses. How many roses were there in each group? Yes, there were 6 roses. It means that 6 is the factor of itself. Children, now we will learn that 1 is the factor of every number. Children, now we will make groups of 4 balls, which has 1 ball in each group. How many groups can we make? Yes, 4 groups can be made. Are there any balls left out? No, there are no balls left out. How many balls did we have? We had 4 balls. How many balls are there in each group? There is 1 ball in each group, which means that 1 is the factor of every number. Children, now we will make groups of 5 apples, which has 1 apple in each group. How many groups can we make? Yes, 5 groups can be made. Are any apples left out? No, there are no apples left out. How many apples did we have? We have 5 apples. How many apples are there in each group? There is 1 apple in each group, which means that 1 is the factor of every number. Children, now we will learn about multiple. Multiple is a number we get by multiplying a given number by another. Example, 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Here, 8 is the multiple of 2 and 4. Children, observe this table. The number of the first row are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These numbers are multiples of 1. The numbers in second row are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. These numbers are multiples of 2. Observe the following examples. 1 is a multiple of 1. 1 into 1 equals to 1. 2 is a multiple of 2. 2 into 1 equals to 2. 6 is a multiple of 6. 6 into 1 equals to 6. 9 is a multiple of 9. 9 into 1 equals to 9. 11 is a multiple of 11. 11 into 1 equals to 11. From the above example, we can conclude that every number is a multiple of itself. Observe the following examples. 1 is a multiple of 1. 1 into 1 equals to 1. 2 is a multiple of 1. 1 into 2 equals to 2. 5 is a multiple of 1. 1 into 5 is equals to 5. 10 is a multiple of 1. 1 into 10 equals to 10. 15 is a multiple of 1. 1 into 15 is equals to 15. From the above examples, we can conclude that every number is a multiple of 1. Observe the table, children. Here 48 is divided by 2 and the quotient is 24 and the remainder is 0. 48 is divided by 3 and the quotient is 16 and the remainder is 0. 48 is divided by 8 and the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 0. 48 is divided by 12 and the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 0. By seeing this table, we can conclude that a number is a factor of the given number if it divides the given number completely leaving 0 as remainder. Children, now we will circle the multiples of 7. Here we have 7 table. First number is 7. 7 is there in 7 table. Yes, it is there. 7 ones are 7. So we will circle it. Next number is 13. 13 is there in 7 table. 13 is not there in 7 table. So we will not circle it. Next number is 14. 14 is there in 7 table. Yes, it is there. 7 twos are 14. So we will circle it. Next number is 21. 21 is there in 7 table. Yes, it is there. 7 threes are 21. So we will circle it. Next number is 22. 22 is there in 7 table. 22 is not there in 7 table. So we will not circle it. Next number is 35. 35 is there in 7 table. Yes, 7 fives are 35. So we will circle 35. Next number is 36. 36 is there in 7 table. 36 is not there in 7 table. So we will not circle it. Next number is 42. 42 is there in 7 table. Yes, 7 6s are 42. So we will circle 42. Next number is 45. 45 is there in 7 table. 45 is not there in 7 table. So we will not circle it. The circled numbers are the multiples of 7. Circle the multiples of 12 in the following numbers. Here we have 12 tables. First number is 6. 6 is there in 12 tables. 6 is not there in 12 tables. So we will not circle it. Next number is 12. 12 is there in 12 tables. Yes, it is there. 12 ones are 12. So we will circle it. Next number is 18. 18 is there in 12 tables. 18 is not there in 12 tables. So we will not circle it. Next number is 24. 24 is there in 12 tables. Yes, it is there in 12 tables. So we will circle it. Next number is 30. 30 is not there in 12 tables. So we will not circle it. Next number is 36. 36 is there in 12 tables. Yes, it is there in 12 tables. 12 threes are 36. So we will circle it. Next number is 42. 42 is not there in 12 tables. So we will not circle it. Next number is 48. 48 is there in 12 tables. Yes, it is there in 12 tables. 12 fours are 48. So we will circle it. Next number is 54. 54 is not there in 12 tables. So we will not circle it. Next number is 60. 60 is there in 12 tables. Yes, it is there in 12 tables. 12 fives are 60. So we will circle it. Next number is 66. 66 is not there in 12 tables. So we will not circle it. Next number is 72. 72 is there in 12 tables. Yes, it is there in 12 tables. So we will circle it. The circled numbers are the multiples of 12. Children, now we should write 5 multiples of 17. Here 17 tables is there. We will write the first 5 multiples, that is 17, 34, 51, 68, and 85 are the first 5 multiples of 17. Children, now we should write 5 multiples of 19. Here 19 tables is there. We will write the first 5 multiples of 19. They are 19, 38, 57, 76 and 95 are the first 5 multiples of 19. Important points of multiples. A number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number of a given number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Every number has infinite number of multiples. 0 is a multiple of every number, but 0 is not a factor of any number except 0. Children, do this homework. Write 5 multiples of the following numbers 15 and 23. Write the multiples of 2 between the numbers 50 and 60.